Welcome everyone to my new video.
Today, I will show everyone how to create a new trending photo.
Like and subscribe.
First, open the Google Chrome browser. In the search bar, type Google Gemini and press Enter.
Now you will see many websites. Scroll down. Here, for a smartphone, you can download the Google Gemini app from the Play Store. Now, let's go back to the top and click on Google Gemini. You will see a text box below. This is where we will type our prompt. I had already written a prompt, so I'll copy and paste it here. Then, I'll click on the plus sign and upload a photo. After that, press Enter or click the forward arrow icon. Wait a few moments. And there you have it, our photo has been generated. This is how we will create trending photos. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment, and follow.